how to see insights on Instagram on the new update. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can see insights on Instagram on the new update, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to see insights on Instagram on the new update, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram application. Let's say you have a professional or a personal or a business account and then you want to view those insights. For that, just tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. To view the insights, what you need to do is just tap this option called professional dashboard, as you can find it over here. Once you go to professional dashboard, if you look at the very top, you have this option called account insights, and then you can just tap the see all button right next to account insights over here. Once you tap the account insights option, as you can see, you'll be able to see all of the insights of the progress, the accounts reached, the account engaged, the total number of followers, and so on. This way you can actually see insights on Instagram on the new update. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.